I got a bunch of these. I'm going to start being a little bit more judicious with what we can. It looks like Micron wants to come back. I'm going to set this a little bit lower then, so we don't have to chase that thing. WDC. Markets continue to hold their gains from overnight.
Oh, workforce got hammered. Claire, CLAR.
All right, that should be good for now. Let's see what else is coming up here.
All right, for me, the stop's going up to break even on TTO. You don't have to move your stop up, but I didn't move my stop up here.
All right, SPY off of their highs. Put in a high here
on our watch list today.
at 286.70 or so. Pulling back.
PVI starting to look a little soft here too.
So the initial exuberance, I wouldn't say that it's turning around, but it's certainly fading.